that's the intention of the show, is to be super mainstream.
Of course.
And it's
So
fun.
that people like you feel even worse when you don't get it, you know? Talking about Govinda, man, I miss Govinda so much in the movies.
Apparently so does Krishna. इस पिक्चर में दीपिका पादुकोण है तो 3.5 करोड़, साथ में रणवीर सिंह है तो 1.5 करोड़ निकाल दो उसमें से. इसको 20 पॉइंट चाहिए था.
क्या है bro?
मेरे को चाहिए था.
इसको 20 पॉइंट चाहिए था.
Place.
There's another dialogue also which is very famous. Like,
मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए, मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge we find out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. I'm Antriksh Thakkar. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They are writers, they are content creators. First up, we have Gaurav Pawar.
Thank you. Appreciate it. And damn, dude, I'm very excited because I've spent a lot of money watching Bollywood movies from single screen theaters to PVR. I've made that whole journey and I'm excited to use all of that trivia, all of the Antakshari moments from my childhood for this show.
Antakshari, Antriksh kind of goes together. Sorry.
Yeah.
right. We know who the comedians are now.
Hey, let's go. Also joining us is Jeet Modi.
Thank you so much, Antariksh. We got Pawar, we got Modi here, and I don't know, गौरव ने अपना पूरा दुख भरी कहानी सुना दी. मैं सिंगल स्क्रीन में जाता था, समोसा खाता था, 25 रुपए का पॉपकॉर्न था, बेचता था वो. But yeah, I think I got him beat in this. Okay, एक तो 5 साल छोटा है मेरे से, ये दिखता नहीं है, but है.
5 साल सिर्फ?
And yeah, our single screen मतलब what kind of fuck all flex is मैं single screen से जाके PVR जाता था. क्या मतलब OTT पे नहीं देखता है, क्या है ये? What is? तू
But
अभी भी
no, that shows passion. I understand what he's saying. It's supposed to be, oh, I'm so passionate about my films. I watch in single screen theaters where people are hooting at the screens. Mahol hai, you know?
Yeah,
That's the
also
thing.
I chose not to shit on you, buddy, and just be a nice person. Because
Hey,
we were
he's here
just
to win. One of you is here to win.
Yeah, dude, mind games, dude. Mind
Yeah,
games.
yeah.
Yeah, this is like.
So he gets it. You know, even though Gaurav, you have been on a version of the show before.
Yes.
Jeet is the one who gets it more because he is here to play, to fucking win.
Damn right.
You guys are fighting for a title. Always remember this. You guys are fighting. You will go home with this title if you win. The
No
title
more.
Is,
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
No one is nice.
Fuck you, Jeet.
The title is
Fine.
you guys are fighting to become the biggest Bollywood Badshah. All right.
All right.
What? Okay, wow. Someone just mild applause for this. What this title allows you, okay, is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood. Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again?
Yep.
Okay. Say you're at like a party with the biggest comedians around. Okay. Zakir Khan is there. Fucking Tanmay Bhatt is there. Who you can think of? Papa CJ is there. You know. All these people at one party and they get into a heated debate.
Right.
Okay, who is the greatest actress that Bollywood has ever seen? Okay, people are like Karishma Kapoor, Raveena Tandon. You're like, no man, I think Kajol is the greatest actress ever, and I'm right because I'm the biggest Bollywood Badshah, and you guys are not yet. That's what becoming the biggest Bollywood Badshah.
Is it
allows
too
you.
late to back out of this? ये मतलब ये क्या incentive है ये?
Yeah, that's the incentive. What if you go to a party at Amitabh Bachchan's house, right?
He is really going ahead and painting a picture of our
अमिताभ
success.
बच्चन, मैं 80 साल का आदमी के घर पे पार्टी में क्यों जाऊंगा?
क्यों अभिषेक बच्चन तो रहेगा ना वहाँ पे यार?
नहीं रहेगा. Knowing what I don't know. I don't think अभिषेक बच्चन को इनवाइट करेगा अमिताभ बच्चन.
Oh,
to be
Amitabh
honest.
Bachchan,
Yeah,
son.
yeah.
fair.
नहीं करना
तो
नहीं
ठीक
चाहिए.
है, ऐश्वर्या रहेगी.
अभिषेक नहीं रहेगा तो ऐश्वर्या रहेगी. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah.
Correct. Fair. We also have an audience member today. Divij, hi. This is the 5th consecutive recording of this episode of the show that Divij is attending. So
Nice.
very cool.
Damn,
Thank you,
dude.
Divij. 5th, is that right?
Thank you so much, man.
Fourth consecutive.
Fourth consecutive. That's too cool, dude. I
That
mean,
is damn cool. He's the only one who survived. He's the one guy who decided to come back.
यही वो लोग थे जो सिंगल स्क्रीन में से सिल्वर जुबली वगैरह करवाते थे मूवीज का. ऐसा 50 बार जाके एक ठीक है, गुड स्टफ, dude. But there are lots of You remember सिल्वर जुबली होता था मूवी का?
हाँ, और फिर पोस्टर्स लगते थे और पब्लिक बवाल मजा. The producers used to feel so happy whenever that silver jubilee thing happened, golden jubilee, because then the producer was like, इतना पैसा कमा लिया है कि अभी लाइफ में और एक हिट का जरूरत नहीं है.
जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Exactly, dude. और there used to be these posters all around town जहाँ पे लिखा 50 days complete, and I was like, क्या घटिया फ्लेक्स है ये, छी 50 दिन, like.
And imagine like from 50 days it running, like from there to now we have come down to attention span of 3 दिन चली picture, चौथे दिन निकल गई.
But that's become the more normal thing, is that movies will do very badly in the box office and then do well online. That's become the norm more.
Yeah, they pre-sell satellite rights and all of the other stuff to make money
For sure,
pre-hand.
dude, like the company that I used to work for used to get a lot of like tickets, free tickets. These are corporate bookings that are happening nowadays, where so that people they can oversell,
They can
show
claim.
their numbers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, claim more than they're
Occupancy.
selling.
Yeah.
I have the name for it, by the way. It's called the BOGO conspiracy.
Buy one, get one.
Yeah, buy one get one, and all of these.
Yeah, because they are able to say we sold 7 million when they've only sold like 3.5.
Yeah,
you know?
it's all lies. At this point of time, it's all lies. Like I remember, it started with that Taran Adarsh fellow when he used to.
Dude, I use his reviews a lot on my show, by the way.
Yeah, exactly. So he
Has anyone followed Taran Adarsh on social media?
No.
No, not
Dude,
as
वो
good.
जैसा अनाउंसमेंट करता है ना बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन का, ऐसा लगता है उसने बनाया मूवी. ऐसा
वो तो है.
all
वो तो
caps
है.
में with emojis and all, and he's like, bro,
Yeah.
this movie has collected 20 crores on its 20th day. हाँ तो कितना मिल रहा है? तू क्या
Yeah, correct.
मतलब इतना एक्साइट क्यों हो रहा है तू?
But you know, like apparently he's held in high regard by industry stalwarts.
Yeah, these people.
Yeah,
Great,
yeah. But also apparently he is someone who has been bribed for a
Of
good
course.
review.
All
You know?
see, excuse me. All of them have.
No,
Yeah,
no, no.
the-
I
I'll
legit
tell you.
think
No, I know,
Nazim
I know,
Hasan
I know.
and Anupam Chopra have not.
I don't know about that, but I know one guy who's definitely not taking money, and that is KRK.
KRK?
He gives the most honest estimates and reviews.
Bro, his reviews are so. I know I will disagree, but I watch it just for the entertainment. His reviews are awesome. He calls so Salman की picture Tiger जिंदा है release. No, he used to call it Tiger बुड्ढा है, आपकी नई picture आई है, आपने देखा ही होगी. Just that kind of shit. He calls Sonakshi Sinha flop actress. He's fucking brutal, dude.
No, and the way he analyzes उसका metrics देख, okay?
हाँ.
इस पिक्चर में दीपिका पादुकोण है तो 3.5 करोड़, साथ में रणवीर सिंह है तो 1.5 करोड़ निकाल दो उसमें से. Dude, I mean, and it turns out to be accurate. So yeah,
He's
good.
not- he's not wrong, yeah.
He's not wrong ever.
Why can't he predict that for his own films? Is the question.
See, you can't expect everything from the man.
Yeah, that's true.
Is the only movie
Yeah,
he
yeah.
did was way ahead of its time. That's what I'll say.
That's true. He'll get appreciated.
देशद्रोही अगर
Yeah.
Instagram के टाइम पे निकली होती, that would have been like the greatest movie ever.
Actually,
So, that's
the fellow.
He did Reptiles of Kurla before Reptiles of Kurla. All right.
He
You need to know, by the way, fun fact trivia about Deshdrohi.
Yeah.
The stunt people who worked on Deshdrohi went on to work on John Wick.
what?
Yeah. So just for all of the Bollywood people to know, like
But they had
Keanu
to,
Reeves.
but they had to start
Yeah,
from scratch.
this-
Yeah.
In their careers. We're like, no, that doesn't count. that is something they can never show anyone.
Yeah, they can't.
Okay, dude, I didn't work on this, dude.
They worked in
I don't know why
John
you use
Wick
my
as the people who got slapped by Keanu Reeves. Okay, that was their role. कि तुम लोग इधर आके मार खाओ तो तेरा
मार-
पाप धुल जाएगा तुम लोग का.
That is true. KRK is the only person जिससे कोई क्रेडिट मांगेगा नहीं.
Yeah, that's true, man. Yeah, correct.
तू ही सब
हाँ,
किया, लिख
ठीक है,
दे. बोल
कर
दे
दे,
तू ही
क्या
सिनेमाटोग्राफर
Yeah,
है,
correct,
तू ही
correct.
म्यूजिक वाला है, तू ही सब किया.
He'll never have the money करने का problem.
And it had like 6 people who have been in the Big Boss house. That one movie. It had like
Yeah,
more,
correct.
maybe more than that.
Oh, he did casting in the Big Boss house.
Or Gracie Singh.
Probably. 6 people and Gracie Singh, yeah. Dude, Lagan and then Deshdrohi. All right, I mean,
And Munna Bhai MBBS. and then Deshdrohi.
Munna MBBS and then Deshdrohi. Like,
So, what are the most recent films that you guys have seen? And what do you think of them?
लापता लेडीज देखा है.
बहुत है.
बहुत मस्त मूवी.
बहुत मस्त.
Madgaon Express.
I loved it, dude. Last week we had Shahan, who fucking saw it but hated Madgaon Express.
Why?
How do you hate Madgaon Express? It's hilarious, dude.
Also, I like what Kunal Khemo is doing.
I love it,
in
dude.
this whole
Good life.
bullshit
Good.
place of like bad movies being made from Go
Go
Goa
back to-
Gone
Yeah.
Yeah.
to whatnot. He's built and his choices are like
Loot case
sensitive.
must
मेरा
have-
मेरा
Luke
कॉलेज
Cage
में
was very
सीनियर था
nice.
वो
Kunal Khemu?
किनाल की मूवी वी वर इन द ड्रामेटिक्स क्लब टुगेदर
Why do? Oh,
या
Wait,
And
you're
see
saying
how-
Are you saying Kunal Khemu is older than you?
He's 1 year older than me. Yeah.
That
yeah.
makes no sense
yeah.
to me, dude.
Make fucking note of this.
see how they look.
Yeah.
You were telling
Yeah,
like
dude.
I am 5 years younger. Dude,
Yeah.
look at how Kunal Khemu looks. Look at how you look.
मेरे को भी किसी ऐसा नवाब बवाब की बेटी से शादी करो मैं भी यंग लगेगा ठीक है
अरे
मेरे को
नहीं ड्रामेटिक्स में दोनों लोग साथ में था तुम लोग तू बॉलीवुड गेम शो पे है और वो मडगांव एक्सप्रेस बना है
That's a great question, though. Did you have any famous people from your alma mater, your school or college or anything?
नहीं
No one?
I am from Ruparel. I've studied at Ruparel College. तो उनका मराठी नाटक और इसका ज्यादा है लाइक मराठी
Oh,
इंडस्ट्री
okay,
में
so a lot of
काफी लोग
Marathi
हैं.
theatre
Yes.
actors and all.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
They
Nice.
come from the college.
Yeah.
My college Amir Khan Faisal Khan
Amir
Kunal
Khan?
Khemu yeah I
What
mean
school
of course
is-
you're not a batchmate okay
Whoa,
chup
whoa.
shut the fuck
What
I could
college?
read your fucking mind
Look at how
Yeah.
he's saying though.
Yeah.
He's just naming
Yeah.
like yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what college is this?
NM Narsi
NM.
Monji
Oh, Narsi Monji was a contemporary of yours. I also studied in a school in Breeze Candy called Green Lawns High School.
wait I was there till 5th grade
Oh, wow.
and there was Karan
But
Johar
you were a super senior of mine, right?
much more yeah I was there when the lawn wasn't even green yet
yeah. Correct.
Shit, now
They never
you-
got those lawns, by the way.
no it was just green it was just brown mud and that,
You were in Breeze Candy Green Lawns?
I was in Breach Candy Green Lawns till
Oh,
grade
what were
5
you also there?
yeah
That's
and
crazy.
Karan Johar was a senior
Exactly! Karan Johar was a senior, dude.
Yeah.
That was our Hindi teachers. Like famous thing to drop on us. कि मैंने करण जोहर को हिंदी सिखाई. Like, madam, that's not something
Yeah,
to be that
dude,
impressed
yeah,
by.
थोड़ा
What
अच्छा
are you
करना चाहिए
talking
था.
about?
Also, yeah, I've heard Karan Johar speak in Hindi. He
Yeah.
did not do a good job.
Exactly, that's what.
नहीं.
Guys, let's go. You are on that filmy game show. You'll be
Yeah.
playing various games based on Bollywood films and Bollywood songs. Let's see where we stand. Once it happens. What I'll say, before we start is
Yeah.
let's do something just like fun off the bat. Just to understand a little bit of a scale of where you are at in your Bollywood knowledge right now.
all right
Okay. So Akshay Kumar has done 8 Khiladi films. How many of them can you name? There'll be one point each. Just starting
I'll
off.
start Khiladi
Khiladi, correct?
खिलाड़ी number 1.
Khiladi number 1. There's no movie.
yeah, okay सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी
सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी absolutely.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी
3 for him.
खिलाड़ी 420
4. Wow.
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी
Yes, absolutely. That's 5 now.
There's one more with Kader Khan and Juhi Chawla. I'm forgetting.
Correct,
Mr.
correct.
and Mrs.
Yes,
Khiladi.
he got that,
Yeah.
dude. Wow. 7.
What?
6. He got 6. Motherfucker, 2 more. Just 2 more. If you can get it, man, all points will be yours.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी मैंने बोला
तूने
बोला,
तूने
बोला,
बोल दिया.
बोला alright.
Yeah. तूने खिलाड़ी बोल दिया, खिलाड़ियों खिलाड़ी बोल दिया, मैं खिलाड़ी तूनाड़ी बोल दिया, सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी बोल दिया, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी बोल दिया,
खिलाड़ी 420 भी बोला मैंने
खिलाड़ी 420. Yes, he also said that. He said that already.
Yeah.
So now you have
2 more?
1 and I can see 1. Yeah, 2. Just 2 more left. Yeah, correct. You have 2 more. There's one more with a number.
Okay. Oh. There was one. It's a very
Come on,
recent
Gaurav,
one.
you can get it.
खिलाड़ी
You can get
786.
Yes, he got that. That's 7. One last if you can get it, man.
कनाडा का खिलाड़ी.
Oh, yes, think about it. Yeah, think about it. Canada is
International
not...
खिलाड़ी.
Yes, he got it.
Holy
He got it,
fuck.
dude. Oh, man, you were so close. That's what
That is
awesome.
such a
Well
that is such a
done.
vulture moment.
Yeah,
You
that's
see
so, dude.
that is such a vulture
fucking-
moment.
you
All
fucking-
build up
What?
was जीत and then one thing.
ये ऐसा चूतिया ऐसा इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर आता है और लास्ट बॉल पे छक्का मारेगा ये मैच जीता है हम लोग को.
और हिंट भी तू ही दिया था कनाडा इंटरनेशनल.
Oh, great. All right, let's go, guys.
Was by the way international खिलाड़ी was that the one in which you had Undertaker?
No,
No,
that
no,
was
that's
खिलाड़ियों का
खिलाड़ी.
खिलाड़ी.
तो इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी में वो
Is
याद
Garden हो गया?
हाँ.
Is that
Oh,
one?
Gulshan
This is where
Grover.
he races a plane on roller skates.
got it.
Akshay Kumar.
Got it.
Yeah, and he wins, of course. Akshay Kumar.
Of course he does.
Yeah, of course he does. All right, let's go, guys. Let's start with the main games.
Yeah.
The first game we're going to be playing is called Bollywood Jeopardy. How this works is I'm going to name I'm going to read the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film.
Right.
You have to buzz in. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first.
How do we buzz?
With a unique sound that you make with the mouth each time. Or unique-ish sound that you make with the mouth each time.
Alright.
It can be it can be ouch, or whatever you want it to be. Alright? Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first. But the catch is, when you're answering, you have to answer in the form of a question. That's the Jeopardy angle. Okay? So say, if Dil Chahta Hai, if you want to say Dil Chahta Hai, you have to say, is this Dil Chahta Hai?
Oh.
You ask it as a question.
What is the point of that?
Because so some of this is very simple. So this is a step to basically just throw you off a little bit.
All right.
You'll see. It makes it interesting.
It's a more inclusive, like for autistic people and whatnot.
Yeah.
Like talk in question form.
Just to throw people. off. Okay, let's go. Let's see how it goes. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Also, the audience also gets to play along. How this works is, agar pehle round mein tumhara you don't get the answer, I'll give you guys a hint. If after the hint also you don't get the answer, I'll throw to the audience, and the audience also is competing. They can also win points.
All right.
So keep that in mind. Let's go. The first question is as follows. Keep your buzzers ready. What is your buzzer sound? Gaurav? That's your buzzer sound?
I'll tap.
The tap. No, do it in the mouth. Is your sound? And tera? This is going to get confusing, but let's see. Let's see how it goes. First up, keep your buzzers at the ready. Dash, a rowdy boy, falls in love with Dash, a first-year college student. After initial hatred, when Nirjara reciprocates his love, okay, you'll go first, a brutal attack renders him mentally unstable. Yes.
Oh fuck! I know this movie. अरे नाम याद नहीं आ
Jaldi
रहा.
bol, jaldi.
तेरे नाम.
तेरे नाम.
He didn't ask
Fuck.
us the question. Jida let you steal.
Is it
Tere naam?
Gaurav's suggestion तेरे नाम?
Yes, Tere naam. 5 points for Jeet. Yeah, that's what happens. And now you get.
I get the
why we
fucking
ask it.
point
Yes,
of the question.
Now you get it.
Well done, well done. This is the way to go. Yeah.
Absolutely. All right. That was the first one. 5 points for Jeet there. That's our best, right? After reading a book that changes her life, Dash is intent on meeting the author. Her quest takes her to a publisher, Dash, who leads her to believe that the writer is Dash. All the Dashes are separate people, separate characters. I'll read that again. After reading a book that changes her life, Dash is intent on meeting the author. Her quest takes her to a publisher, Dash, who leads her to believe that the writer is Dash. Yes.
बरेली की बर्फी.
He didn't ask it as a question.
Is it Jeet Modi's suggestion? Bareilly ki barfi.
Well done, Gaurav. That's how you do it.
Did you not ask us a question on purpose?
No.
Yeah,
I
you
forgot about it.
That's
Yeah.
right. You get excited and you forget. That's what happens. 5 points for Mr. Gaurav right there. Next one. More bad.
Oh, damn.
2 Indian journalists, an American journalist, and an Afghan guide are taken. Gaurav will go first, but I'll complete the question. Are taken as hostages by Pakistani soldiers. They are forced to take a 48-hour journey into a war-torn country. Yes, sir.
Is it a wonderfully made movie which is starring John Abraham and Circuit from the Munna Bhai series?
Yes.
Is it these both? Is it Kabul Express?
It is Kabul Express.
That's fucking great.
A small trivia
Kabir
about that. They had to legitimate carry like cartons of cigarettes into Afghanistan, and then like to not have issues to shoot over there, they ended up, giving
Bribing?
them off
That's how you bribe?
as gifts, because in that part of the world you give things as gifts and whatnot. So they just
But wait, cigarettes are not a thing in Afghanistan? It's
No,
illegal.
so-
अफगानिस्तान में टपरी है, तेरे को लगता है हर जगह पे.
नहीं लेकिन मूवी के अंदर
मेरे को
बोलते हैं
लगता
ना कि
No, far away like.
No,
when-
तो
where
apparently they
shot.
love Indian cigarettes. Movie
Yeah.
के अंदर बोला था ये. And that was Kabir Khan's first movie, debut movie.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
like
it could
debut
well be,
feature
yeah.
film because he was a documentary filmmaker.
Yeah, correct.
And he's just John Abraham's character is based on him or that.
Oh, he's based on his own character,
yeah,
like his own.
yeah.
Oh,
And
that's
then
cool. I didn't know
and
that.
you're singing that song, no? Kabul Fiza.
Yeah.
So that was a time when you had to have this one item song type thing where even in Afghanistan you show hey we are having fun.
Yeah.
और पूरे सॉन्ग में अरशद वारसी इज गोइंग क्रेजी राइट वो मस्त गा रहा है एक्सप्रेशन दे रहा है एंड बीच बीच में जॉन इब्राहिम का एक शॉट आता है
That's true. Yeah. You're right.
वो मूवी के बाद वो स्कार्फ कितना मिल रहा था मालूम है हर जगह
Oh,
पे.
the black and
Yeah,
white.
the black and white
which has
checkered
now
वाला
become
thing.
the tiger ka scarf. Which is now how things come full circle. Dude.
It is also the Palestinian protester logo. That is the overlap.
You know, I had. Okay, we finished this.
Yes.
So that was Kabul Pizza. That's Kabul Express. Sorry.
5 points deducted from the host.
5 points for Gaurav right there. Next movie. A talented but failed cricketer decides to return to cricket in his late 30s, driven by the desire to represent the Indian team and fulfill his son's wish for a jersey as a gift.
Is it Jersey?
It is absolutely jersey. Yes, 5 points. For
This is a
Jeet.
very easy.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
Likha hai.
How many cricket movies, Bollywood movies are there, by the way? Like 5? From
No,
Jannat to
lot more.
Iqbal to
Jannat, Iqbal,
Dhoni.
yeah, Dhoni, Sachin.
Sachin is a documentary. Lagan.
Lagan, obviously.
You guys are forgetting the most
there is
legendary cricket movie ever.
Hum Saath
Awal
Hain.
number.
Awal number, Hamza Saath hai. Chamatkar has a
Awal
cricket scene.
number is, I think it is the greatest cricket movie ever.
Really?
क्योंकि उसमें
I've not seen it.
it's got Amir Khan and Devanand.
Okay.
Yeah, and Aditya Pancholi is the villain.
Oh, wow.
And the story is आदित्य पंचोली को टीम में से निकाला है. देवानंद उसका भाई है और सिलेक्टर है. वो बीसीसीआई का प्रेसिडेंट है. और उसने अपने भाई को निकाल दिया और आमिर खान को जगा दिया. तो आदित्य पंचोली बदला लेने के लिए पिच में बॉम्ब डाला है. दिस इज द प्लॉट ऑफ द मूवी.
Awal number, bro.
अव्वल नंबर का स्टोरी है ये. अरे.
Can you imagine वो पिच रीडिंग के लिए जा रहा है ना, जब कमेंटेटर लोग ये खोदा हुआ क्यों है ऐसा पिच में?
संजय मांजरेकर इसमें मॉइस्चर कम है. एक्सपेक्ट अ लिटिल मोर बाउंस टुडे.
All right. Next, go to the next one. That was 5 points for Jeet. Go to the next one. Rival thieves Dash and Dash have an affinity for the same targets, which lands them in trouble. They face a huge challenge when they try to grab the same child for a large ransom. This is I would call it a retro film. Like,
Is it a comedy film?
I can help you. Sure. Yeah, this one I'll help you with.
I think I'll require a hint because there are like a ton of these, all starring Amitabh Bachchan or Vinod Khanna or Shatrughan Sinha.
So there are
That
no
is
negative points. You can absolutely take a hint, take a guess, and if it's wrong, then it's wrong. There's no negative points. If
There's
you
no
wanna buzz
negative
it,
points?
There's no negative points.
Is it?
But do one attempt only. You can't just keep.
I'll do one.
Yeah. Jaldi bolo.
Is
jaldi
it
bolo.
Hera Fairy?
It's not.
Is it Do or Do Panch?
Wow! Yes, dude.
What?
It is absolutely.
Yeah, I had a lot
Do
of
or
free
Do Panch.
time. I had a lot of free time when I was a kid. I'm sorry. man. There was a
this
movie
is
called,
great.
there was a channel called CVO.
I love CVO, dude. I talk about CVO all the time. Nobody knows about
और
it.
उस
Dude.
पे ये दोपहर को ये सब आता था.
Yeah, dude. ये आता था. गोपी किशन आती रहती थी. I
और
remember.
गोपी किशन,
हाँ.
सुनील शेट्टी की.
I love
और
गोपी
उसका
किशन.
लेजेंडरी मूव था जब मैं 14 साल का था. उसको पता चल गया कि मैं 14 साल का हुआ हूँ. तो उसने कामा सूत्रा को एयर किया था. ऑल इंडिया प्रीमियर एंड माय फादर केम होम
Dude, I
अर्ली
think
दैट
I
डे.
remember this. I kind of loosely remember this coming on TV comes through, right?
Yeah, that was my father used to come home at 11 every day. उस दिन वो 9 बजे आए कि ये चूतिया नहीं देखना चाहिए ये मूवी. ठीक
Man,
है.
that was dude, absolutely. That was one of the dude. I think that's what led me and my brother to buy the VCD of Kamasutra the movie.
Right.
Okay, watching it on CVO. And-
एक मिनट, were you in Powai at that time?
no, I wasn't.
Ah.
I was studying in Greenlawn
तो
at that time.
पवाई में there was this Lakshmi VCD करके there was a store. Okay.
Shemaru, I used to rent from Shemaru, bro.
From where?
Shemaru, Pedder Road, Kemp's Corner के वहाँ पे.
कैम्स कॉर्नर के वहाँ पे ना.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे एक ये इधर भी था. एक गिरगांव में भी एक था.
अच्छा.
वीडियो का सेट
Okay.
वाला. वो छोड़. इधर IIT के सामने लक्ष्मी फोटो स्टूडियो के बाजू में लक्ष्मी VCD करके था.
Oh, अच्छा.
ठीक है. वो 1500 रुपए का साल का 50 DVD देता था तुमको.
Oh, wow, dude.
Alright, and he used to sit on this plastic stool. तो वो लेटेस्ट मूवी सब रखता था और बाद में you're like ब्रो थोड़ा वो तो स्टूल पे से हटेगा अपना वो कुर्सी
Oh, yeah,
उसका
correct.
ऊपर का
I've done
पिलो
that stations and all. Yeah,
और
yeah.
उसके अंदर सब लाइक डबल चाहिए ट्रिपल चाहिए and we're like आज
मेरे को
ट्रिपल
quadruple चाहिए.
आज ट्रिपल का मूड है ब्रो.
But triple means 3 movies or triple means
Triple
like
X.
threesome?
Come on, man.
Triple
Triple
X.
Oh,
Come
ऐसा.
on, man.
Yeah.
Don't try
Triple
to
X.
be like, oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
No,
Trying to be
I thought triple means like threesomes or something, you know?
नहीं
I
वो
thought, why else I go to that guy in the first place?
नहीं 90s में हमको पता नहीं था ऐसा
No,
3
you
लोग
did not
का होता है.
have.
हाँ.
You did not have categories. Like this is the
Yeah, you-
Pornhub thing that you're
Yeah.
talking
Sure,
about.
that's
right?
true,
You
that's
choose
true,
and
yeah.
it's filtered.
I
No,
couldn't.
no, no.
Yeah, that's true.
So there was something called Single X जिसमें खाली हॉलीवुड का अडल्ट मूवीज दिखाते थे. नॉर्मल अडल्ट मूवीज विद स्क्रिप्ट एंड एवरीथिंग.
No,
Like,
you
And
know
then
what
what
they
is-
said? Single X was just imagine, no? Just imagine.
But then अगर single X is A, double X, then what is double X?
डबल एक्स में there is no penetration.
Oh, it's softcore.
It's in
Yeah,
soft
it's
core.
in the middle.
Oh, I never knew that. I just thought like it became triple X.
Hey, it's
I
that
don't know, because
filmy
of-
game show, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, finding out about different kinds of films. Hey.
KRK से लेके ट्रिपल एक्स तक
Yes.
everything is here.
Yes, from Indian films to blue films, we cover everything.
So yeah, there's a door the punch. Yeah.
For the parts, absolutely very cool. Full 5 points for Jeet. That
I should get fucking 15 for this.
Hey, okay, calm down. All right, calm down. Stop.
This is age appropriate for you only.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. I was born 8 years after this came out.
I was born 4 years after this, but yes,
Oh,
this is
yeah?
thanks to CVO that I know this.
Yeah, that's fucking awesome. All right, last one we'll do in this game. Keep your buzzers at the ready. Dash and Dash, a young couple learn about the secrets of the Dash. Together, they must stop the forces of evil after destroying the universe. From destroying the universe, yes.
Is it Ranbir Kapoor's movie?
Bolna. What's the name?
Astra, Brahmastra?
Yes, it is Brahmastra. He did
Well
ask us
done.
a question. Full 5
Well
points
done.
for Gaurav. Very, very well done. Very well done.
This
So-
was the movie. I think ये movie के साथ वो proxy tickets का चालू हुआ था. The discussion on
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
So you don't think it actually on
that.
400?
So it was this and Kashmir Files both released I think in the same year. और दोनों में लोग ऐसा बोल रहे थे कि ऐसे ही मतलब.
Ah, fair.
I think Kashmir Files ने उसका दूसरा मूवी वैक्सीन वॉर के लिए they did a bit of that. The
नहीं, पर
Bogo.
कश्मीर फाइल्स भी बहुत कमाई हो सकता है.
हो
हाँ,
you
उसका
never
हो
know.
सकता है.
You never know.
This one to make sense because I remember this is one of the movies we got those free tickets for, and we went to the theater. It was showing sold out online, fucking empty, dude. Like like last 5 rows are like full, and the rest of it is completely empty. That's what they do. But what did you guys think of Brahmastra when it came out? Versus what do you think of it now?
Okay. So I did not enjoy the movie.
Even in the theater back then, like not
Yes.
at all.
In the way that what was reaffirming was the push that they have done in terms of effects.
Yeah, correct.
But that same thing was also very like heartbreaking because अरे ये top पैसा है रे.
Exactly.
sure,
I
sure,
did
sure.
not जितना effects को hype up किया था मुझे लगा नहीं उतना. It was somewhere in the mix of anime. एक Avatar the
Yeah.
Last Airbender था उसके zone में कहीं पे था लेकिन उतना पहुंचा नहीं. What was heartbreaking for me was they got Shah Rukh Khan to do a cameo.
Yeah.
And my favorite Shah Rukh character Mohan Bhargav को वो लोग ने चूतिया बना दिया मूवी में. ठीक है. That guy is a fucking nuanced
But
character.
still, I would say that was the highlight of the film, other than, you know.
No, they fucking spoiled Swadesh ka legacy. I'm not going to forgive them for
Sure.
that. Yeah, dude, don't.
What legacy, man? It's
They
like in the sense like they didn't spoil it because of one name.
no,
used.
but it is a very if you go to look at the story is a very simple, straightforward.
Yeah.
You know, as old as time wala story. Chosen
Correct.
One comes
Correct.
out. You know how he makes his point in the world.
Yeah.
The training montage. All of that could have been done so well because it was the Wake Up Sid duo that I
Sure.
was so excited about. Ayan Mukherjee
Yeah.
और रणबीर कपूर दोनों मतलब
Yeah.
इतना अमीर जिया है कि लाइफ में ट्रॉमा कम है ये सब बचपन में देखा रहेगा वो लोग कॉमिक बुक वगैरह तो
Correct.
दे वुड यू नो डू दिस जस्टिस.
But हाँ काफी हगा था वैसे. क्या करें होता है यार ठीक है क्या करें.
ठीक है कोई नहीं सीक्वल बना
Next
लो
time.
अभी.
Sequel apparently is not going to be with Dharma. Ayana has taken it out. Even Dharma was like यार too lost
नहीं
making for us.
परोड़ेगा, नहीं
हाँ,
परोड़ेगा.
नहीं परोड़ेगा. Okay, that's the end of this game. Let's see where we stand at the end of the first game.
So should we count the Akshay Kumar wala bhi?
Yeah, count that also.
Okay.
Yeah.
उसमें लास्ट वाला मैंने बोला था.
हाँ, वो उसके लिए बन. Gaurav is at 16 points
Got that 16 points. Very cool.
Not
very
bad,
nice.
not
very
bad.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
and Jeet is at 21.
21.
ओके खिलाड़ी में ज्यादा लिया ये. Every this was one number. Fuck, Akshay Kumar came to your rescue, dude.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
your name
But
is
that's-
Modi.
But
Exactly.
But he's literally 5 points ahead. That's one answer. That's it.
And that's,
Yeah.
yeah.
So you have
can
plenty of
catch
time.
up, dude.
Plenty of time.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think of his latest movie, Rocky Rani?
Rocky, pretty cool.
Yeah,
so,
I liked it a lot.
I heard this, right? Someone was analyzing the movie and they're like, they've taken such quick shots and the camera moves so fast in that movie and each scene is so short. They made the whole movie so that it can be Instagram friendly.
Okay, that's not
Yeah.
that's not wrong.
That's not wrong. It's not wrong at all. That's smart as fuck,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, correct.
Yeah,
For sure.
And I thought it was a pretty cool movie,
Yeah,
dude.
that's
dude,
the
that
mark
once-
of a great movie. Something that you can see only in sections.
एक
Yeah.
मिनट करके एक
Yeah.
मिनट.
Yeah, but Deshdrohi started it, but yeah.
So dude, that one scene in Rocky Rani where he's talking about कि बहुत भसड़ हो गई. He's apologizing to the father. Okay, sorry, I laughed at you, and like he's saying that. Dude, that scene, I've seen that movie like 3-4 times already. Always makes me tear up, dude. His acting is such in that movie.
I'm
In
a
that
big
scene.
Ranveer Singh fan, dude.
I'm also a big one.
Because I saw his first couple of movies and I'm like, okay, this guy has perfected Govinda.
Yeah.
That
Oh wow, that's a good
Yeah.
analysis.
He's a great mix of absurdity and silliness and cocaine energy ka Venn diagram. I'm not saying you like he does it. I'm not even saying he can afford it, but like it's that Venn diagram ka beach ka hai na where like wo uchal
Yeah.
raha hai. He's electrified all the time.
That's true. Talking about Govinda, man, I miss Govinda so much in the movies.
Yeah.
So, did you see the
Apparently,
recent...
so does Krishna.
अबे शादी पे गया वो यू नो इसके नीस का ही ना
नीस।
हाँ उसका
खुद
शादी
खुद कृष्णा के नीस के
नहीं
कृष्णा की बेटी
कृष्णा की नीस के
कृष्णा की
कृष्णा की बहन
कृष्णा की बहन की शादी
Yeah.
So she becomes the niece
Niece,
or
niece,
something
correct,
of Govinda.
yeah.
And they had like a slight like falling out or something because Krishna Abhishek had mentioned this one line where मैं गोविंदा को मामा करके रखता हूँ ऐसा कुछ तो उसने शो पे लाइन बोला था
हाँ
एंड गोविंदा ऑफ कोर्स बोले रखता हूँ क्या है मतलब
he said मैंने गोविंदा को मामा रखा है
हाँ like he said
But
only
that's
Amitabh
so clearly a joke, man.
Yeah,
How do you
it
take
is.
offense at that?
no but Govinda was
These
like
people, dude.
No, but it's more than that. Apparently, Krishna's wife and Govinda's wife, they
Oh,
don't
have
like each
Chakki
other.
Sagra.
Yeah, they don't like each other. That's
Oh,
and that
dude.
became newspaper fodder because it just went into the
Yeah,
cycle
yeah.
for like 3-4 days.
yeah, but
This
I'm-
And until date, dude, like every few years, Krishna will be on someone's interview something, and they'll ask him about Govinda, and he'll always say the same thing कि मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि हमारा सब ठीक हो जाए, पर यही है.
At this point of time, honestly, I feel like if you look at any PR वाले का Google calendar ना, उसमें लिखा रहेगा schedule. एक साल हो गया इसका 6 महीना हो गया ये रिफ्रेश कर सकते हैं.
so Krishna, do you still miss your mama? हाँ तो आजा podcast पे.
When was the last time you talked to him? Like 2 years back. Talk about all the things you like to talk to him too. Talk to him. about.
We have a fellow who's a look-alike. This is like a cheap therapy session. What do you think about Bluffmaster as a movie? You know, उसका sequel बाहर आना चाहिए क्या नहीं? And you get Nana Patekar and Deshmukh's character in it
Yeah.
with you know Abhishek Bachchan.
and Priyanka.
Like yeah, make like a sequel, but like because I really liked the movie.
I
It
liked
was
the
a
movie. I
very
think it was
good
Great movie.
It was very
It
good.
was
Very
soundtrack
unique.
was-
Very unique for its time.
Yes.
It was not that
great,
unique.
excellent soundtrack,
It
great vibe.
wasn't that unique. It's a copy.
हाँ
Yeah,
मगर
yeah,
like
but
कौन सा
like it
Matchstick
felt,
Man का copy?
हाँ.
yeah,
किसका? हाँ.
but I'm saying it felt new
It felt very new.
for
It
its
felt
time.
very
So it's
very
like
new.
the
and
way
was-
of making
yeah.
it, you know,
Yeah.
was
No,
fresh.
and
presenting it was
Presenting
fresh.
was
and the
fresh.
ending, in spite of what it was not underwhelming.
Yes.
Absolutely, yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was nuanced.
It was nuanced
मजा आया.
and
Yeah.
it was funny and
But
मजा
very
आया.
funny. Nana Patekar like being scared नहीं तो मारेगा
क्या
मेरे को.
मजा
आया.
नहीं,
It was
बहुत
too good, too
Too great. I love Bluffmaster. I love, dude.
I
The
would love a
songs
sequel for it.
Are
Bluffmaster, no?
excellent even
Excellent.
today.
Yeah.
Excellent.
All the Sena again, very unique song.
Yeah.
For an Indian movie. back then.
Vishal Shekhar when
Yeah,
they were like Vishal
a
Shekhar.
rap, that was the first rap I think we had before hard. I think just after
There
hardcore
was,
was the
there
first
was
thing.
वो One Love का बनाया था.
हाँ.
हाँ.
वो चूतिया-
क्या मैंने सोचा और क्या हुआ शान.
Yeah, rap तो बहुत था पहले.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
नहीं, but like yeah, fair.
Baba
fair.
Sehgal, dude.
But again, getting your main lead actor to
Yeah,
rap or
to
sing
rap.
it,
That was fucking
that's
great.
rare.
Yeah, that was
rare.
great. And
Yeah.
Bluffmaster में, I mean, that was a time when Vishal and Shekhar were like top of the game. Okay,
Yeah.
there's a movie called Jhankar Beats.
Yeah, dude.
They
तू है
fucking broke out with that movie, yeah. And then there was no looking back. ये दो
Wait,
movies.
that was their first film? I did not know that.
No. I'm sure they've done more films,
Okay.
but that was like that got them established.
तू जो है तो सब कुछ है. I love that
Yeah.
song, dude.
I like it when Bollywood movies, which would not generally be seen by your masses, like taxi
Yeah.
driver, rickshaw driver, but they break through and then they
Yeah.
make that bridge कि Bluffmaster का गाना भी बजता था हर जगह
That's
पे.
true,
Like
that's
they
true.
make it through.
Yeah, that's true.
Even in the one with the guy, the कौन सा Arab type song था, कौन सा था?
Jose Bodo, Asakada Boda.
I forgot the guy name of the guy. क्या you से कुछ था उसका नाम.
I don't know.
They got him and
Bora Bora
Bora, yeah.
I think I'm singing it right, by the way.
Yeah,
Because I
yeah,
heard
that's
it
good.
so much, dude.
No,
I heard-
it's better.
I have
It's
no
better.
idea
It's
what it
better than the original version.
All right. All right. Cool. So 16 points, 21 points. Game number 2 is the name game. How this works is I will name a popular actor or actress and tell you to name movies or songs of that actor or actress depending upon the question.
Alright.
Okay.
Say the question says, give me movies of Amitabh Bachchan. Okay? Then Gaurav will name one film, Jeet will name one film, Then Divij will name one film, and then back to Gaurav. One.
Till
Whoever
it
runs
breaks.
out is the loser. Whoever runs out, or whoever says the last one, essentially is the winner. Whoever.
But do you carry some points for the right answers?
There's no points.
There's no
Whoever
point.
runs out is the
Okay.
loser.
Alright.
Doesn't get points, basically. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Simple enough.
Yeah.
The first one, starting with Gaurav, is sing me songs of Imran Hashmi. Very easy.
Well, you have so many love songs. One with Malika Sherawat
Jaldi,
on
jaldi.
the parapet.
Yeah, quick. You have to sing the song. You have 30
Jannat
seconds.
yahan, Jannat jahan.
This is not the song you were talking about.
Yeah,
for
but
sure.
yeah, but-
I just said it
For
like
sure.
Yeah, he's like Malika Sherawat on the parapet, Jannat yahan. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, that song was Bhige Hot Tere.
ठीक है, वो तेरे correct. Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right. Divij.
जरा सा
जरा सा दिल मेरे जगह तू.
मेरा इतना बकवास ब्रेकअप्स हुआ नहीं है for me to remember.
But तूने मेकआउट तो किया रहेगा इस movie में. तो टेंशन क्या तेरे को?
और कौन सा इमरान का है रे बहुत, वो क्रिकेट वाला भी कुछ तो रहेगा उसका.
हाँ, वो जन्नत ही है
वो
वो.
जन्नत है. पैसा लगाते वक्त कुछ तो है ना, पैसा आते वक्त भी
Same
कुछ तो
picture के
है.
बारे में सोचते रहते हैं. Same movie.
और I'm sorry, he was in that action.
You have 30 seconds each time. You have 15 seconds more.
गौरव
नहीं है रे,
गौरव
मेरे
हर
पास-
सॉन्ग
Hey, you don't have a single more Imran Hashmi song?
अरे
It's not
तू घाई
possible.
करने को बोल रहा है, मैं टाइम लेगा थोड़ा
हाँ,
भाई,
तो
इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा है ऐसा
30
कि
seconds each time. I'll give you 10 seconds more right now.
गौरव जस्ट आई नो प्ले इट कूल लाइक मेरे को पता तो सब है लेकिन
अबे नहीं यार, मेरे को चाहिए 5 पॉइंट.
कौन सा वाला बोलूं तो ऐसा चीप नहीं लगेगा. Like, तो वो
ऐसा कोई नहीं.
Oh, what are his most popular films?
See the
Okay, I think you're done. Your time is up.
हाँ,
Firstly, but
तो-
think about the most popular.
देख मेरे
films.
दिमाग में अभी उसका वो नेटफ्लिक्स का मूवी आया था. वो कौन सा था वो, मालूम है तेरे को बीच में. हाँ बार्ड ऑफ ब्लड
Oh,
मूवी आया
but
था.
how do you not think of like Ashik बनाया आपने, like
Yeah,
Aksar,
and then murder में there was a कहो ना कहो.
Murder? Yeah.
that-
How do you not think of these films? These are the
I'll
Imran
have
films.
to access my
Imran Hashmi mold. I
हाँ
guess.
like बाल वाला गौरव मोड, like you know like that was
Dude,
the time
again,
when
Avarapan, an underrated film.
हाँ, आवारापन.
dude, yeah.
Is
Great-
that,
great soundtrack.
आवारापन बंजारापन is that
No,
song
that is
from
John Abraham. That's
John
Jis-
Abraham, no?
that is Jism.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo, that was 5 points for Jeet and the audience and for Divij.
अरे there are no
0
points,
points for Gaurav. Next one, starting with Jeet. So then
Right.
from Jeet, it'll go to Gaurav. And then from
30
Gaurav,
seconds,
it'll
है
go-
ना?
Yeah, 30 seconds each time.
Alright.
ठीक है? Give me movies of Tabu.
Matches.
Absolutely.
Crew.
Yes.
मीनाक्षी
Meenakshi.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Hututu.
Hututu, okay.
Heather.
Yes.
हेरा फेरी
Yes, correct.
Makbul.
Yeah.
सपने.
Sapne, okay.
Sapne was Kajol. Sapne was Kajol.
Are you sure of this?
Arvind Swami, Prabhu Deva and
are you-
Kajol.
are you sure of this?
100%
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Okay, so then
He's
change your
correct.
answer. You have 30 seconds still.
Oh, I
30
can.
seconds. Yeah.
Oh great. मकबूल.
Yeah, okay, fine.
अरे
He
मैं
said
बोला
Makbul.
मकबूल.
He just said Makbul.
Sequel
Yeah,
कहाँ पे
yeah.
आया रे?
अच्छा सॉरी,
हाँ,
हैदर का
yeah.
मैं मेरे को लगा विशाल भारद्वाज का मैं ये लेके बैठ गया.
He said Makbul, yeah.
No, it's fine.
Quick, you have 10.
I know. बॉम्बे नहीं है.
Okay, 5 more now, bro. Done. Jaldi.
अंधाधुन.
Okay, I'll give you that. Take it.
Come on, man. I wanted to remember.
Yeah,
That was on
nicely
the edge.
done,
That was on the
nicely
edge.
दृश्यम
Drishyam, yes.
Drishyam 2.
Yes, absolutely. Hey. Well,
Can I ask a question? Is she in Shaitan? The one
she
that
not.
has come out with Devgan.
No.
no, she not.
मगर देवगन के साथ उसने काफी
देख
मूवीज
सोच
किया
सोच सोच correct.
Debut movie था. नहीं, second movie. Debut नहीं.
है. फूल और कांटे
फूल और कांटे में नहीं
मैं
है.
थी
नहीं
थी तब्बू नहीं थी. I love
I love how I'm fact checking for Antariksh.
Thank you. Yeah. Some of these old films, I don't know, man. Doesn't know everything what.
She's in a lot of movies. गुलजार के गानों में तू माचिस बोला,
Matches Hututu दोनों बोला.
दोनों बोला ना. हलचल.
हलचल she's not there. What? कुछ वो है.
एच से वो वाला जिसमें अमरीश पुरी वगैरह ये लोग थे, उसमें नहीं थी वो. नहीं.
Yeah, your time is up. Well beyond. But if you want more, there's like Chandni Bar.
Oh,
चप्पार यार.
Yeah.
चांदनी बार यार.
Even I
There's,
didn't think of that. Yeah.
There's also.
Who was the
Hera
maker
Fairy
of that?
side.
M से नाम
मधुर-
भंडारकर.
मधुर भंडारकर.
भंडारकर.
Madhav Bhandakar. There's also BV number one of my
Yeah, I was going to say that, yeah.
favorite David Thomas.
Was she in No Entry? She
no,
was.
no. That was Lara Datta and Serena Kay
Against
and Baba
Anil Kapoor?
No, that
That's
was
BV
Lara
number
Datta.
one.
Lara
That's
Datta was
BV
against.
number one.
Yeah.
अनिल कपूर के साथ.
Correct, that's BV number one, yeah. Okay, that's again 5 points for Jeet and the audience.
Fuck,
Gaurav.
dude.
Sorry, Gaurav. But now, Gaurav, there is a 10-point question.
Please,
This
give me
is
something.
an advanced part of the name game. This is situation based. So you have a chance.
Okay.
How this works, again, is situation based. So you'll understand what I mean. Starting with Gaurav this time. Give me songs that have 2 or more male actors dancing. Like the lead actors dancing. 2 or more male lead actors dancing.
ये शूट के पहले गा रहा था.
अरे वो वाला मत बोल. मैं इसका ही बोलता ना. कोई तो गाने में हेरा फेरी का गाना रहेगा
गाना?
जिसमें
रहेगा क्या?
हेरा फेरी का गाना का लिरिक्स तो सुना मेरे को. तू उसका लिरिक्स बता मेरे को ठीक से तो मैं मान गया. मैं तेरा 15 पॉइंट तो फिर चल.
इसका अपना करुणेश का इस पे ये भी है ना, बिट भी है ना.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
तुन तुनक तुन तुन तुनक तुन तुन तुनक तुन तुन.
Nope, the song is wrong.
The only you picked the only
I
song.
picked the only song which is not.
There are 2 songs in the whole movie जिसमें एक हीरो है.
Yeah. Also the least remembered song I would say from that movie.
अक्षय कुमार एंड सैफ अली खान, मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी.
Yeah.
मैं
Nice.
खिलाड़ी
Absolutely,
तू
absolutely.
अनाड़ी.
Jeet.
Two or more. हाँ देसी गर्ल.
Desi girl. Desi-
अंबाली ले अंबाली लुआ.
Yeah, correct. He's right. I think it's what's the name of the song? नहीं Hambali तो I know. Hambali.
You wanna know the name of the song?
No, this is not the
नहीं.
देने वाला. Which one?
नहीं नहीं आज हम हैं कल हम
आज
नहीं.
हम हैं कल हम नहीं कल कुछ भी हो सकता.
देसी बॉयज.
Yes, correct.
मचाएंगे,
It's a-
Desi Boys. Helipad पे. You know why I remember that? Because
Why?
I was in Cambridge studying at that point of time, and we had walked into a chicken shop to get some food, and the Indian people who were working over there
Hey,
were
Desi
playing.
boys.
And all of my white Gora friends were asking like, ये helipad के ऊपर नाच रहा है और ये क्या?
Jeet.
फटेला जेब सिल जाएगा.
Fatela Jeep से आंखें dude.
Aankhein, dude.
Again,
One of my
very nice.
favorite movies of the 2000s.
I love that film. I love both the Aankhein movies by the
No,
way.
but this one was so high concept for its time.
Yeah, it was absolutely.
Crazy.
सुबह होने ना.
सुबह होने ना दे
कांटे ओसाकी साकी.
इसमें
संजय दत्त और महेश मांजरेकर ये लोग नाचता ना.
नाचता है क्या?
हाँ, संजय दत्त और एक
एक
बंदा है
तो
ना.
मूवी गलत है. मूवी का सॉन्ग भी नहीं है वो साकी साकी.
अरे यार.
और उसमें सिर्फ संजय
कांटे का
दत्त
नहीं
है.
है.
But you look a lot like the maker of all of those movies, Sanjay Gupta.
संजय गुप्ता.
तो गाड़ी क्या ना, संजय गुप्ता डॉपलगैंगर है तू.
हाँ ठीक है. तो मेरे को
बोलना
भी
quick.
मालूम है.
हाँ तो मैं अपना सारा जवाब भी कोरियन मूवी से कॉपी कर रहा है.
Quick.
सत्ते पे सत्ता.
Yeah, fair.
ओके. प्यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया. फ्रॉम सत्य पे सत्ता.
यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आ
रामा रे.
जाने क्या होगा रामा रे. But they're not dancing.
They're not dancing. वो पूरा पिक्चर में 3 घंटे का पिक्चर में 2 घंटा वो लोग स्लो मोशन में वॉक कर रहे हैं. और बाकी का 1 घंटा मलाइका अरोड़ा पोल डांस कर रही है. दैट इज द स्टोरी ऑफ दैट मूवी. कांटे.
That's very
या
तोड़ डिशुम.
हाँ?
तोड़ डिशुम.
डिशुम. या I know this
This
movie.
is the John Abraham one.
जॉन अब्राहम
And
एंड
another one.
Oh.
हम साथ साथ है. हम साथ.
साथ है. Okay, it's been going on for a while. We'll do one more each and then we'll call it up.
या कोई कहे कहता रहे.
Absolutely.
बस दीवानगी है.
बस दीवानगी.
I think that covers half of Bollywood, dude.
Yeah,
तो
correct.
अभी तो I think any answer अभी उसके सामने कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
हेलो ब्रदर.
Hello,
Hello brother. Brother.
Yeah, okay, fine. Both of them.
Okay.
Last one.
Last one. 1-2 का 4, 4-2 का 1. I know you're going to say it's wrong, but उसमें एंड में जैकी श्रॉफ आता है और वो भी नाचता है.
पक्का नाचता है? अगर तू
गौरव.
कह रहा है।
You guys.
I would say. अरे मेरा तो हो गया ना.
सौ तरह के. हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ.
या ओके ठीक है. Done. That's full 10 points for everyone.
All
Everyone out.
right.
But even so, Gaurav, it didn't really affect because everyone got 10 points.
Yes, yes. Thank you for
Very cool, yes.
giving me the thing. You can save yourself. Gaurav,
Also-
this is the round.
Also, all the Govinda and Sanjay Dutt songs from
Oh,
Hasina मान जाएगी,
dude.
जोड़ी number 1, एक और 11.
Hasina मान जाएगी.
There are many, there are
Yeah,
many.
Yeah,
dude.
correct, quite a few. आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें.
In fact, if you notice, Bollywood is not that averse to ensemble or two heroes compared to Hollywood. In the sense that public बोलता है ऐसा कि अरे hero को हमेशा like they are like starving for attention
Yeah, yeah,
वगैरह.
fair.
But there are many ensemble movies.
Sure, but then there are enough like there also. It's just about budgets. Most budgets don't allow to pay two A-list actors. You know, that's just the way it is,
They
man.
could make Govinda Amitabh movies because Amitabh
Yeah.
needed money.
You're charging less.
Yeah, you're like, अरे
It's so
कुछ
less.
भी है दो यार इधर लगी पड़ी है.
Again, I watched Bade Miyan Chote Miyan once a
Yes.
year almost, dude. I watched
How
it.
much Govinda would be laughing at Akshay Kumar and Tiger Shroff? Like, बनाओ और
Yeah, क्या टट्टी बना रहे हो?
तुमको
Yeah.
लगता है तुम कर
Like,
पाओगे?
yeah, really. Like, give me one laugh, dude, in the
Yeah.
movie. One laugh. is all I want.
You tried seeing it?
No,
Dude,
I
it
didn't.
lost.
I don't.
It
You
lost
saw it.
so
Did
much.
you?
No, I did not.
It lost so much money.
Yeah, it
and
makes sense, dude.
the loss of Bade Miyan Chote Miyan made people realize what is inflating budgets, and most of it is
Akshay Kumar's
multiple
salaries.
vanity vans.
No, but
Oh, for
But if
the
you-
asks are like such ridiculous.
No, but
asks.
if you see this Bade Miyan Chote Miyan and last Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, this one is a complete like role reversal.
Opposite.
कि उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन पैसा सब लुटा के बाद में किया था, इसमें अक्षय कुमार करके पैसा लुटा है बाद में.
पर इसमें भी डबल रोल तो नहीं होगा.
है आई थिंक है.
है
आई एम
क्या?
नॉट श्योर. What I know about the summary of this movie is कि कोई तो क्लोनिंग होता है.
Okay, got it. Okay, let's see where we stand at the end of game 2. Divij.
Gaurav is at 26.
Got a 26, very cool. Man.
Respectable,
Very cool.
respectable.
You got 10 points in the last one, yeah.
Audience is at 20.
What is that, 20?
Nice.
The audience is at 20, bro. Nice.
Seat is at 42.
Whoa!
All right, with that
I
brings
think
us to the end of the
anything
show,
can happen.
guys.
Anything can happen.
I think you meant to say that to Jeet. Round के पहले.
No. Okay, guys, the next game is called Versus Versus. This is my favorite game.
Okay.
How this works is I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. All right? You have to buzz in. Again, this is the buzzer round. You have to buzz in, but you don't need to ask it as a question this time. You can just say what the answer is.
Okay.
Why the second verse of the song? Because the second verse of any song is usually the least heard part of that song. A DJ will like skip the second verse, right? Nobody's ever playing second verse. Radio sometimes will skip the second verse. When you're listening to music yourself, you'll be like, "Haan, take ho gaya," after the first verse and go on to the next song, right? So the second verse is the least heard part of the song, but often the verse with the most beautiful lyrics. Very often. So we'll see where you guys, how good are you guys at
Yeah,
recognizing
we'll
the song.
see. We'll see who's worse.
See who's worse. Who's versus. Versus. All right, let's go. The first song, ka second verse, ka lyrics are as follows. Keep your buzzers at the ready. You're a buzzer. All right. कहीं आग लगने से पहले उठता है ऐसा धुआं जैसा है उधर. Yes, sir.
दो दिल मिल रहे हैं
Absolutely. Yes. Wow. Very
मगर
well done.
चुपके चुपके. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. कहीं आग लगने से पहले.
गौरव तू इधर से पास हो रहा था क्या? और ये तेरे को लेके आया नीचे से.
Second verse.
All right, next one. Okay, this one is slightly difficult maybe, so let's see if you guys get it. पास आऊं जो मैं दिल में I'll do that again. पास आऊं जो मैं दिल ये डरता है क्यों दूर जाएगा तू ऐसा लगता है क्यों मैंने वादा किया मैंने ली है कसम उम्र भर ना कभी प्यार होगा ये कम. अच्छा हाँ
Can I sing it a little bit?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
उम्र कभी वो last वाला line क्या था?
या उम्र भर ना कभी प्यार होगा ये कम. Anything? Yes.
आंखों से तूने ये क्या कह दिया?
I wanted that tune, dude.
I sang it in my
हाँ,
head.
मेरे को
Correct.
वो
तूने
tune पकड़ने
तूने
का
मेरे को
था.
टाइम दिया वरना मेरे को नहीं आता था ये.
Yeah. उम्र भर ना कभी
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
प्यार
So
Sure.
I don't know,
होगा
like in
ये
this song
कभी।
suddenly second verse में एकदम horny हो जाता है.
आँखों से तू या
Yeah.
या फिर first was horny और second word में थोड़ा ऐसा एकदम I don't know, it just becomes a little more profound.
It also is borderline like आंखों से
Yeah,
तूने
yeah.
ये क्या
क्या
कह
कह
नो
दिया?
नो नो nothing was said मुंह वापरती थी मैं नहीं तो
ओके
Okay, अभी अच्छा ना
Next one.
मैं अभी ये ना आता है ना जवाब तो भी मैं वेट
मेरे
करूंगा,
को,
ठीक है? तू कैच अप कर गौरव.
सुन ना
Okay.
देख इलेक्शन ईयर भी है ठीक है इतना आगे बढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है ना तेरे को
हाँ अभी
हाँ,
मोदी तेरे से
full-
अजीत पवार ले लिया अभी
फुल कांग्रेस फीलिंग दे रहा तू मेरे को
नहीं
कह
नहीं
रहा
तो
है।
अभी मैं वेट करता है, ठीक है? मेरे को आता भी तो मैं वेट करेगा.
हाँ थोड़ा मदद भी कर चले
हाँ, मदद करेगा, मदद
Let's go
करेगा.
next. All right. This one is going to be interesting. Who gets it? Buzzers. Are you ready? That one, the last one. Who got? Was the last one?
Come on, there's no need to ask that question.
Yeah, I mean, why
Sorry.
you humiliating
Sorry,
him,
sorry,
right?
sorry.
पता है सबको.
ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं ये वाला. आखिर क्या है ऐसी मजबूरी? अरे मिल गए दिल, फिर भी क्यों है ये दूरी? यस.
आखिर क्या है ये
जल्दी, जल्दी, बोल
इट्स
दे
एन
यार.
ओल्ड सॉन्ग क्या
Yeah,
है ये
sorry.
मजबूरी
या. It is an old song. जल्दी बोल. Just say it.
देख तेरे को मदद कर रहा है बोल दे
नहीं मेरे
क्या
को
है ये मजबूरी?
मेरे को पता ही नहीं. आई डोंट नो.
नहीं,
आई
ये
एम
दूरी-
नॉट.
Okay.
एक
so
तो
I'm gonna-
अंतरिक्ष इतना घटिया तरीके से बोलता है ना लिरिक्स, ऐसा लगता है कि
वो टोन उल्टा पूरा ऑपोजिट पकड़ता है
That's-
तो
एंड ही इज
that's by
ट्राइंग टू
design.
मेक एवरीबॉडी थिंक के वो जानबूझ के कर रहा है बिकॉज बट ही इज जस्ट टोन डेफ. ओके मेरे को
Sure,
बहुत डाउट है ये.
Yeah, that's very possible.
इट वुड हैव हेल्प्ड अ लिटिल बिट टू हैव
वापस बोलना वापस बोलना.
आखिर क्या है ऐसी भी मजबूरी? अरे मिल गए दिल, फिर भी क्यों है ये दूरी? अरे दम है तो उनसे छीन के ले आएंगे. अरे दीना घर वालों ने अगर मंजूरी. दम है तो उनसे छीन के ले आएंगे. दीना घर वालों ने अगर मंजूरी. I'll read that again. आखिर क्या है ऐसी भी मजबूरी? अरे मिल गए दिल, फिर भी क्यों है ये दूरी? अरे दम है तो उनसे छीन के ले आएंगे. अरे दीना घर वालों ने अगर मंजूरी. दम है तो उनसे छीन के ले आएंगे. दीना घर वालों ने अगर मंजूरी.
लेट्स ट्राई टू
Okay,
कोलैब
so see, there's no negative points. Just say a guess.
I have no idea about this.
No
song.
problem.
No idea.
बोल दे बोल दे
Okay,
भाई.
so now how it works is for half the points, that is for 2.5 points, I will half sing each of these lines.
Okay.
Okay, so half for half. That's what we call it. All right.
I think he got something.
बोल.
नहीं वो ट्यून थोड़ा बहुत
हाँ.
नहीं, but tune बोला.
क्या है ये मजबूरी टन टन ना इट्स नॉट दैट
नहीं, it's not.
ओके इट्स अ डिफरेंट सॉन्ग
Okay,
Hmm.
this is bear with me. All right. आखिर क्या है ऐसी भी मजबूरी? अरे मिल गए दिल, फिर भी क्यों है ये दूरी? अरे दम है तो उनसे छीन के ले आएंगे. अरे दीना घर वालों. Okay, you got it, fucker जी.
Hey, stop, okay?
Yeah.
He just told me, Gaurav, you can do it.
Yeah. That is motivating
Sure.
him.
Sure.
साला तू
हाँ.
भुला दिया मेरे को हराम हाँ जरूरत था
Don't have to forget.
नहीं,
You don't have to forget.
Okay, let's do
प्यार
one thing.
हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया
That's not fun, not cool, but I'll allow it because you're quite far behind.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Okay.
नहीं ये लोग वैसे भी मतलब you know क्या है ना
कि
कि
दिल करे हाय
हाय।
कोई तो बताए क्या होगा सी आई नो द सॉन्ग
Oh wow, you do?
ओके
Wow, man.
प्लीज
Yeah.
that's great, Gaurav.
थैंक
Yeah.
यू थैंक यू जीत
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it feels like you're in the game.
yeah this one is
one
what
more,
like
yeah.
15 points
That was 5, man. Sorry.
अभी
I have cash.
Chalo. Next, we'll do a couple more in this game and more the last game. All right. This one is सुनो जरा सुनो, चुनो हमें चुनो, आंखों ने आंखों से शर्मा के कुछ कह दिया. सुन हाँ.
आँख नहीं दिए तो बोल दिया ना आंखों से तूने क्या कह दिया
Now you can't guess. Jeet can still guess. You can't guess till the hint round. Okay?
just repeat it.
Okay, I'll just repeat it. You can't guess, ना Gaurav. सुनो जरा सुनो, चुनो हमें चुनो, आंखों ने आंखों से शर्मा के कुछ कह दिया. सुना मैंने सुना, चुना तुम्हें चुना, शीशे ने शीशे से टकरा के कुछ कह दिया. है पल मुरादों के, ये पल है यादों के, अब मेरी जान रहे या चली जाए.
This looks like very Sanjay Leela Bhansali stuff, dude.
It sounds like, is it a Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
I'll help you. Okay, no, it's not.
It's not.
Could you read the last?
I'll read the whole thing again, no problem. But you
No, let's
can't-
move on to the hint.
I know.
Let's move on to the hint.
हाँ, let's move on to
yeah.
moving on to half for half.
Yeah.
सुनो जरा सुनो चुनो हमें चुनो आंखों ने आंखों से शर्मा के कुछ कह दिया सुना मैंने सुना चुना तुम्हें चुना शीशे ने शीशे से टकरा के कुछ कह दिया है पल मुरादों के ये पल है यादों के अब मेरी जा रहे या चली जाए
I know this. I know the entire tune. मेरे को song
Correct.
याद नहीं आ रहा है.
I get it.
Because I can sing the second verse का first line पूरा.
हाँ.
सुनो, can you just
Yep. सुनो जरा सुनो
सुनो जरा सुनो.
करेक्ट चुनो
चुनो हमें चुनो.
आंखों ने आंखों से
आंखों ने आंखों से something. I don't
शर्मा
know.
के क्या
शर्मा
कह
के क्या
दिया?
कह दिया. I don't know the song but
Yeah.
ये मेरे को याद है खाली.
Come on,
Is it
Gaurav,
like a
anything?
90s movie?
It is 90s. It is 90s.
It is?
90s. Yes. तेरे को आया? अच्छा, गौरव. Come on, man. This is your time to shine, bro.
Hey, come on, man. Don't do this.
Don't do this pressure,
Don't do
man.
this. When you know the man is slipping, don't do this.
Oh, is this Love Hua?
Oh no.
No?
Not. Nope.
बोल दे.
Okay, so I'll give you guys a hint since nobody's. You have any guess at all?
जरा पल्लू सर का जाए.
No.
What? He just wanted to say some song का नाम पहले से and he's like हाँ मैं इसमें बोल देता है.
The song has Kajol in it.
Kajol 90s movie, huh?
I know which movie it is also, but I can't get the. It's a movie. The movie is Ishq.
Yeah.
अरे इश्क का तो सब गाना बहुत बार देखा है.
Okay, I'll read the last 4 lines again. That will help you again for sure. Okay. है पल मुरादों के, ये पल है यादों के, अब मेरी जा रहे या चली जाए. Ah man, come on.
I'm getting it. I'm
guys.
getting it. Wait.
Okay, there you go. Okay, jaldi. In 5 seconds, if you don't get it, I'll let Divyaj answer.
मुझे भी याद आ गया ट्यून. मेरे को सॉन्ग नहीं, फर्स्ट लाइंस याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को.
नहीं? No? Ah man. Divyaj? Gaurav?
नहीं बोल.
The song is देखो देखो जानम हम दिल अपना तेरे लिए
लाए.
Yeah, I love this movie.
Yeah, this movie was I don't know, man. It was like a multi-genre movie.
Yeah.
First half is like slapstick, and second half is like
So dark,
everything.
why?
It just goes
No,
dark
it
as fuck.
It did not fit in the same film.
Suddenly
Like,
it took
ये
like a-
कौन सा मूवी है चल रहा है इंटरवल के
Yeah.
बाद लाइक उधर वो टाइम पे मल्टीप्लेक्स नहीं था
Yeah, correct.
वरना अपने को लगता गलत स्क्रीन में घुस गए.
And after doing all of this, then at the end the fathers reconcile. And I was like, dude, what?
Yeah.
You know what you guys did?
Yeah, really, bro. You almost got the girl.
You
fucking-
ruined
Yeah.
their lives, the trauma that they're carrying. One
That poor
girl
girl,
got
yeah.
molested and whatnot,
Yeah,
and you're
dude.
like, हाँ चल अब
Yeah.
शादी हो
And
गई.
then you framed the best friend. That's
Yeah,
so fucked up,
but dude, you need to appreciate the movie for a very futuristic outlook. The first movie to show cancel culture.
Yeah.
It was great.
Yeah,
more
correct.
photograph दिखा के.
His life really got fucked up.
Yeah,
His
और
life-
कैंसिल होने के बाद वो लोग को क्रूज पे भेज रहा है चुतिया. क्या है ये कौन सा कैंसिलेशन है बे?
Yes, correct. Okay, we'll do one last in this.
Yeah.
I think we've done a few.
Remove the verses thing, dude. This one I don't like. My most hated round is this.
Okay, chalo.
And too much on songs.
उसमें तो तेरे को एक मिला.
मेरे को हाँ
यार हमें किस
मोड पे ले.
Okay.
ये बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है क्या?
Okay. हाँ अभी तो है काफी है. चलो.
अभी फर्क
चलो,
नहीं
चलो.
पड़ता है पूछने में.
Let's go. Boss is ready?
Yes.
The lyrics of the second verse of the song are as follows. क्यों मेरी गली में आके वेट करदा, हरकत डाउन मार्केट करदा, देखूं जो हटा के खिड़की का पर्दा, सीटी वीटी मार इरिटेट करदा ओए, हो छड़ एटीट्यूड कभी मान कुड़िए, ब्लैंक चेक दे दूं या ते जान कुड़िए, ईटे का ये दिल कर नरम जरा, देख ले ये गबरू जवान कुड़िए. Yes.
मैं तो एवे ले गया. लुट गया
लुट गया
ले गया था।
दोनों
Full five.
इधर लुट गया इधर ले गया
क्यों मेरी गली में आके वेट करदा हरकत
डाउन मार्केट
करदा
गौरव इज लाइक ये चुतिए लोग पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करते नहीं बचपन में ऐसा सब फालतू मूवीज और सॉन्ग सीख के आ गए यहाँ पे
हैंडसम।
और मेरे को बोल रहे पॉइंट्स
नहीं ये राउंड रे
Okay,
राउंड भारी पड़ रहा है
चल ठीक है
चल।
लास्ट एब्सोल्यूट लास्ट इन दिस गेम दिस इज अगेन सी ऑल दीस सॉन्ग्स अप टिल नाउ यू हैव नोन
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
so they are very mainstream. It's just
we'll wait for Gaurav. I won't buzz even if I know. ठीक है?
Okay, then let's see. Yeah,
हाँ,
ठीक है.
चल
Buzzer
हाँ.
at the ready. एक कन्या कुमारी हमारी सूरत पे मर गई हाय
हाय
एक मीठी कटारी यस
एक मीठी कटारी
हमरे
मेरे
दिल
सूद
में
में उतर गई हाय हाय हाय
बोल
अरे I know the song.
You buzzed it already.
You're getting there.
You buzzed it already, bro.
You're getting there.
Come on.
थोड़ा ऐसा मतलब कत्था सुपारी लगा
हाँ,
के
हाँ.
सोच तेरे को आएगा.
ये अमिताभ बच्चन का गाना
हाँ थोड़ा मतलब ऐसा गुलकंद डाल दिमाग में. हाँ तम्बाकू चाहिए तो डाल थोड़ा दिमाग चलेगा. और ऐसा एक मतलब थोड़ा एक ग्रीनरी ऐसा एक
Does it come down like
Okay, fuck her, just say
that
that.
tune?
What is come down and all, dude?
इसको पूरा इंग्रेडिएंट समझा दिया मैंने. ऐसा संजीव कपूर बन के बैठा है मैं इधर.
Yeah.
पूरा सुपारी बोला, कत्था
Go on,
बोला,
quick,
तंबाकू
bro.
बोला,
Gaurav,
गुलकंद
you-
बोला, खाली लीफ बिटर लीफ बोलना रह गया.
पान बनारस वाला खाए के
हाँ,
पान
thank you,
बनारस
Thank
वाला.
God, dude. Thank God. 5. That was good.
I was thinking about Nator Lal because when we spoke about Amitabh, then I was thinking I was going through his filmography.
मजा आया ना गौरव?
मजा आया.
एक और करते हैं. चलो.
The next episode you call me on, it will just be one round. Versus for 1 hour, Gaurav.
अभी
This is very fun. This is very fun. Last.
अभी ये नेक्स्ट एपिसोड ही है गौरव.
Yeah. This is.
हाँ, this is-
is being cut
yeah.
in 2 parts. Yes. Okay. Last. Absolute last. All right. Hey, बिन तेरे ओ हसीना मुश्किल है मेरा जीना. बता दे तू बता दे करूँ मैं क्या. सॉरी बाबा सॉरी ना तोड़ूंगी मैं यारी. दीवाने ओ दीवाने करीब आजा. चल पिक्चर कोई देखें होटल में खाना खाएं डिस्को में जाके नाचें और गाएं हम. डिस्को में जो जाएंगे मुश्किल में पड़ जाएंगे क्यों बेचैनी को अपनी बढ़ाएं हम. यस.
What is mobile number? What is your smile number?
देखो फिर आना जाना दे कोई इजी नंबर.
Great movie, dude. Love the movie.
तू जाती है टनन
हसीना मान जाएगी.
जाते ऐसे क्यों दिल को तड़पाती है.
This is Anu Malik.
No, oh, you'll be surprised. वो तो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ दिस मूवी.
Who is?
गैस कर चल.
Oh,
अगर तू
this
ये
is-
गैस करता है ना तो इक्वल हो जाएगा. चल अपन चल मैं बोलता है. एक गैस हाँ लेकिन एक गैस मिलेगा तो अपना पॉइंट्स इक्वल.
तो इसका जो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर है,
हाँ.
इज इट लाइक अ डुओ?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. अबे तेरे को इक्वालिटी का चांस दे रहा है.
ये मेरे को भी नहीं पता. तो लेट्स सी मैन. इज इट
It's very difficult to guess कि इसका सॉन्ग किसने दिया.
इट्स
हसीना मान जाएगी.
आर.डी. बर्मन.
इतना out of the way नहीं है.
पोस्टमसली.
हाँ क्योंकि वो जो हिसाब से बोल रहा है तो जीत मेरे दिमाग में गुलजार साहब आ रहे हैं बट कि तू गैस ही नहीं कर पाएगा.
कर चलना. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलता.
गुलजार साहब नहीं है म्यूजिक
एक
डायरेक्टर.
विशाल भारद्वाज.
रहमान नहीं है.
विशाल भारद्वाज नहीं है. Wrong. रहमान नहीं है. ठीक है. एक लास्ट अभी बोल.
राकेश रोशन.
No,
Oh,
dude.
okay.
It's Shankar Ehsaan Loy.
Oh motherfucker.
You can Google it.
Great
हाँ?
music.
You can Google it. मैं
Can you just quickly Google this? Is it?
मान लेते हैं.
हाँ चलो कौन चेक करने वाला है.
चेक कर लेते हैं.
It's great.
हसीना मान
no,
जाएगी.
for factual inaccuracies, you
Yeah.
get a lot of shit in the comments.
Oh, true. You know they should use.
Oh yeah, I'm my bad guys.
एक और.
It's Anu Malik and
Hey,
Adesh
same phone.
and Adesh
Is that the-
Srivastava. Yeah.
Is that the
Yeah,
1 plus
baby.
10R?
1 plus 10 R guys.
Yes, great.
Yeah.
That's the one we are being recorded on right now.
Oh.
You're such a horrible person, man.
Why?
I just mentioned अनु मलिक कुछ तो मेरे को क्रेडिट देना
हाँ,
मांगता था
हाँ,
गौरव तू बोला
नहीं,
कुछ
गौरव- no, no.
इतने बार मेरे को बोला कि अरे गौरव को आता नहीं है he is bad and what not yes
Let's-
audience member do I have you on my side or not
Can we cut this
Yes.
bit? मेरा legacy पे थोड़ा ऐसा
That's
डाल
it.
दे।
चल
That's
रे,
it.
मेरा-
चल,
I think
तू contest किया है।
I think we have to
Come
we
on.
have to cut it
Yeah,
out.
I think Gaurav needs points for this.
But also we should have ways of humanizing Jeet a little bit. है ना?
Yeah.
So that's why we should actually
मैं
have
इतना-
Gaurav
मैं
getting.
इतना
Let's give Gaurav 3 points just for the sake.
What? Look at his face fell. Your audience member's face fell.
What do you
कि
want?
अरे क्या?
What do you want? 50
Ask
points?
him,
What do you
ask
want?
him.
What do you
Ask
want?
him, ask him.
Five.
Ask
We'll
the
give
audience member.
5 points.
Ask
5
the
points.
audience member.
But this is not a
what
question.
do you
I
think?
can't give you
How
5
much?
points.
बोल.
Know the score, then you decide.
No. That's
ए
not needed.
buddy, come on
Okay.
man.
चल ठीक है यार. What's the score? This is at the end of game 3.
हाँ जी.
Jeet is at 62.
62. Okay, wow.
Gaurav is at 36.
36. Okay, wow. Let's give Gaurav 30 points.
नहीं 20 देते।
20 is good because see I stuck to my guns with Anu Malik. Okay, it makes
Yeah.
sense.
And मैं इतना cockiness में बोल दिया।
he's so
She.
proud. But I can't give you 20 points. I'll give you 10. Chal,
I've been nice to you.
Fucker,
nice
10
to
is
you.
very nice. Fuck you. 10 points will be.
Cool. Done.
These
Works.
are also grace points
Works.
because
Hey,
if
man.
if it comes down to a tiebreaker, these points don't apply. I'm just saying.
नहीं let's apply.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but ठीक है. Let's go.
ए,
Let's
मैं
see.
ऐसा मतलब मैं ऐसा condescending नहीं बन रहा है।
No, I'll be sending in a strongly worded letter tomorrow.
Okay. चलो. ठीक है. Let's go. The last game
Yes.
is called. Oh, sorry. How much is the audience at?
20.
20. Okay, 20. So, okay, they didn't get a chance this last time. All right, the next game is called Scene Song Dialogue. How this works is I have prepared these cards in front of me. All right. On each of these cards are the name of 3 films. I will name the first film. You have the option from between, like, again, you have to buzz in, but you have the option to either describe a scene or sing a song or quote a dialogue from that first film.
Oh.
Okay, say तुमने scene describe कर दिया. Okay, then for the next movie that I name on that card, you have only a song or a dialogue
Oh,
left.
okay.
And then अगर तुमने song बोल दिया second वाले में, तो only the dialogue is left for the third film.
Okay.
Okay, if one person does not get any, even a single one from a card, you will have to do a small Bollywood themed punishment.
Okay.
It's all good. It's all easy. Let's go. Let's start off. The first one, keep your buzzers at the ready. The first movie from which I want a scene or a song or a dialogue. The first movie is Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. Yes.
At the airport,
Yeah.
we have Ranbir Kapoor.
Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, bro. This guy, dude.
इसको 20 पॉइंट चाहिए था।
This guy, bro.
मेरे को चाहिए था।
इसको 20 पॉइंट चाहिए था।
Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. हाँ जल्दी बोल.
Dance with me baby,
Won't you dance with me all night? Won't you party? Won't you?
उसमें भी जॉन इब्राहिम है।
That's all night.
He's the DJ. जॉन इब्राहिम डीजे है ये सॉन्ग में।
Is he?
हाँ।
I don't remember this.
अभी मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा कम हो गया है। हाँ, लेकिन ये मेरे को याद है।
Yeah, okay. Maybe. Okay. ठीक है. That's 5 points. So this is a very high scoring game.
Yeah.
It's gonna be okay because 5 points for each correct answer. So 5 points. Song is done.
Yeah.
Now you have scene and dialogue left. Scene or dialogue from the movie Animal. Yes.
सीन डिस्क्राइब करना है
हाँ,
ना जब भी रणबीर भाई साहब ठीक हो जाते हैं
हाँ.
शेप में आ जाते हैं वॉट और फिर लैंडस्केपिंग कर रहा है गार्डनर वगैरह तभी रणबीर भाई साहब नंगे बाहर
नंगे,
चलते हैं
nudity, yes.
और ऐसा वाला
शादी चल
हाँ
रही है.
ऐसा वाला ये करता है
Fair.
नाइस।
ठीक है. 5 points for Gaurav. All right. Next is Kismat Connection. Dialogue. It's gonna be difficult.
किस्मत कनेक्शन
आई नो द मूवी में क्या कौन है।
के वाला है ना दोनों किस्मत
हाँ.
कनेक्शन
या
ऐसा वाला लिखा
Yeah.
आई नो इट्स शाहिद कपूर विद्या बालन, लेकिन
Yeah,
मेरे को
dialogues are
डायलॉग
difficult. Dialogues are difficult.
मुझे डायलॉग याद ही नहीं। मैंने पिक्चर देखा भी नहीं है।
That movie got panned, which I felt bad for Vidya Balan. Dude. She got panned in that, like, post that movie. She had to work hard to get her, like, industry mein naam back.
Because of this film?
There was backlash for Kismet Connection.
Why Kismet Connection?
Because she looked older than Shahid Kapoor, which is not her
Oh,
fault.
I don't know
It was
that.
not her fault, but
They were trying to say that
That's Shahid's fault, dude.
he looks very young.
Stop looking like a fucking kid, man. What the fuck? What is just do ish kush yesterday?
okay. I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna try. यहाँ mall नहीं बन सकता. That's the only thing I remember from the
movie.
movie.
That could well be a dialogue, you know. Yeah, that whole plot point. Why are you crying, child? One of those.
That was yeah. I could have said I could have gone with I love you. वो 3-4 बार तो रहेगा पिक्चर में. हाँ, लेकिन मैं
Yeah.
अरे वो कौन सी मूवी है जिसमें ऐश्वर्या राय और रणबीर कपूर और ये
ए दिल है मुश्किल.
ए दिल है मुश्किल.
So तुम्हें अपने भरोसे पे भी भरोसा नहीं था. That's a dialogue from Kismet Connection. But ठीक है, I'll give you.
तुम्हें
I can't
अपने
give you
भरोसे
that.
पर भी
I can't-
भरोसा
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
था. ये कौन लिखा है?
I can't give you that because
Yeah, you
none of us
can't.
remember dialogue from
Yeah.
Kismet Connection. So just 5 this one got, 5 this one got. So no punishments here on this card. All right, next one.
Thank you.
Keep your buzzers ready. Again, starting from scratch. So a scene or a song or a dialogue from
Yeah.
the movie Bhool Bhulaiya. Yes.
भूल भुलैया सीन डिस्क्रिप्शन.
हाँ बोल.
जब अक्षय कुमार फर्स्ट टाइम he is walking around the house at night to see where the noise is coming
Sure.
from.
Okay. And then ching happens. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. 5 points for Gaurav. Next movie, Tara Rampam.
Song.
Song. Did you?
Tararam
मैंने-
pam pam.
He actually buzzed it first. Sorry.
He was wrong by the way.
I am.
Tarararam tararam pam. I don't know the rest of the song. लेकिन ये ट्यून मेरे
No,
को
but
याद
there
है.
is another Tara Rampam song. No, there's Tara Rampam, Tara Rampam.
वो नहीं सुना.
Tara Rampam. Same movie. Yeah.
Same movie. लेकिन ये मेरे को मिलना चाहिए.
Yeah, of course. You get it. It's 5 points for Jeet.
Alright.
ठीक है. And the last one on this card
Dialogue.
is
अभी
giving
dialogue
a
है.
dialogue. Again, this is going to be difficult from Raja Hindustani. हाँ.
हमारी शादी नहीं हो सकती. रहेगा आमिर खान के.
She doesn't say that. She doesn't say that.
Wait. I think I'll get something. Wait.
Yes.
Horniest dialogue ever. You come, madam. You come. I remember this.
Yeah,
You
that's
come, madam.
true.
इतना चूतिया hammy.
think-
That is what qualified as uneducated back then.
That's true.
Instead of welcome, you come.
एंड करिश्मा कपूर का भी एक डायलॉग उसमें रहेगा लाइक राजा हिंदुस्तान यहाँ like when she's dropped at the place.
There's another dialogue also which is very famous. Like
That is him.
that is how the movie was sold to us in school. कि इसमें बहुत मस्त kissing scene है. तो जाके देखो.
That's true. But that's not a dialogue.
Well, the actors treated it like it.
Yeah. They had a lot of retakes, I heard.
But you come, madam is legit.
Yeah, fair. ठीक है, that's 5 points for Jeet. Again, no punishment that one. He's got one. We'll do 2 more cards and then we're done with the episode. All right.
Alright.
The next card, first movie is give me a scene or a song or a dialogue from Fir Hera Fairy. Yes.
नागिनची बेली निघाली. Johnny Lever.
नागिनची बेली निघाली. You know, that entire movie is copied from Lock, Stock
and Two Smoking
I
Barrels.
love-
Yeah.
But still, like, sometimes even like knockoffs will be.
No,
become
but the
really
thing
popular.
is, see, if you see Hera Fairy in isolation, तो अच्छा movie है.
Yeah, fair.
लेकिन तुम if you compare it with Hera Fairy, तो बहुत टट्टी movie है वो.
Yeah, dude, like, I was very disappointed when I
Yeah,
watched Hera Fairy
yeah.
after Hera Fairy. I was like, where is this?
Yeah.
This has become way more slapstick than the previous one,
And the third one also they made, but it got banned. फिर से हेरा फेरी
नहीं,
नहीं
Hera
हुआ
Fairy
अभी
3
तक.
अभी is
being
making
made.
right now. It's being made right now. Okay, so that's 5 points for Jeet. Next movie is give me song dialogue is done. Give me a scene or a song from Khosla Ghosla. Yes.
ये दुनिया उठ पटकांगा.
कितने हाथ में कितने टांगा.
अभी मैं मर्सी नहीं दिखाएगा.
Now give me a song is done. Give me a scene. Scene from PK.
गौरव ले
Okay,
ले.
Gaurav.
At the scene description, मंदिर के बाहर जब ही आमिर खान वहाँ पे रहता है, and then the whole get up वाला scene happens.
Sure. And he sticks
Yeah.
onto his gal. Okay, nice. So that brings us to again the end of this card. The last card. Give me a scene or a song or a dialogue from the movie 1942, A Love Story. Oh, you're not even trying now, Jeet. It's just
1942 A Love Story is Anil Kapoor's
Sure. Yeah.
movie. Scene
ये
description.
हर आंसर के पहले सब टेक्स्ट क्यों देता है तू?
Just to make sure he's talking about the correct film.
Dude, you know his subscribers, his viewing base is pretty dedicated. वो लोग
They
को
are.
ऐसा
They
बताना पड़ता है
appreciate.
भाई कि मेरा
Yeah,
CV
yeah.
है थोड़ा.
Yeah.
अरे sorry.
Otherwise,
Sorry.
It's all good.
और 1942 A Love Story में there's a riot scene.
There is, you're
a
right.
horrible riot scene which
Absolutely
happens.
right. I'll give you that. So scene is done. Give me a song or a dialogue from the movie. This is very simple. Sathiya. Yeah.
A song or a
Dialogue.
dialogue, correct? Sathiya.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
They had one of the best local train moments as far as a
Couple
modern,
falling in love, kind of. The guy falling in love for the
A lot of couples ended up doing that. I remember one of my first relationships I had that college my moment of Sathiya, like dropping the
But-
girlfriend at the train.
Yeah.
But
And
mine
then
was
rushing
not
over to the other train to
exactly.
to
Yeah.
get cross.
Mine was not that romantic, dude. Like I wanted the moment, but she got swallowed by everybody
The
else.
swamp, yeah, of course. And she can't hang outside.
Exactly.
Fucking.
I was like, "Arey, hang no, risk your life for like 5 seconds."
And the last one, Satya ka song is done.
Dialogue.
Yeah, dialogue from the movie Lage Raho Munna Bhai. Yes, sir.
इस अपन के ब्रेन में कुछ केमिकल लोचा है.
Perfect. Very good. Very cool. Okay, nobody got punishments, dude. Very nice. very
Yeah,
nice.
no,
So,
that's arguable because there's someone who's getting punishment.
yeah.
See,
The
one
audience
person's
members-
punishment is another person's generosity.
Okay, so since nobody got punishment, let's
just do it.
be
Yeah.
good sports about it.
Yeah.
I'll give each of you one punishment. Okay. Then let's
How
just-
is that being a good sport?
मेरे को भी दे रहा है ना.
Just-
हाँ, मैं जीता फिर भी मैं कर रहा है ना.
Exactly, dude.
हाँ.
What are you worried about, man?
अरे
मैं
इतना
बोल रहा दोनों को punishment काय को?
Okay.
इतना एनर्जी
So
पूरा गेम में दिखा देता.
For Gaurav,
Punishment क्या सुनते हो?
punishment for Gaurav is have a thumb fight with your co-contestant
Okay.
while singing Munni Badnaam Hui.
मेरे को नहीं गाने का ना.
नहीं, you have to thumb fight.
हाँ चलेगा.
You sing Munni Badnaam Hui while thumb fighting.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So
चल.
start a thumb fight. Starting now. Thumb fight. They are thumb fighting. हाँ कर.
मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए मुन्नी बदनाम हुई डार्लिंग तेरे लिए.
मुन्नी
इसका
के-
एक मिनट, ये इसका थंब कितना लंबा है बे? ये अननेचुरली लंबा थंब है. ये फेयर पनिशमेंट. अरे ठीक है चलो.
Fair punishment नहीं था.
This is not punishment,
This
buddy.
is not funny. ये तो उसका स्ट्रेंथ पे.
Yeah, this helps
This
out.
should have been the podcast. ये जीत जाता.
Okay, and what I'll tell you is, okay, sing Bhige Hoot Tere, but as Farhan Akhtar. Your best impression of Farhan Akhtar.
I can't sing it as myself.
नहीं सिगरेट पी के आ
The
जा.
best place, the best way to do, you can, the best,
5
your
सिगरेट एक
best
साथ
iteration of it.
भीगे होठ तेरे
Yes, nice, not bad. हाँ करना.
प्यासा दिल मेरा
प्यार सा दिल मेरा है यार.
अगर तुम्हारा दिल प्यासा हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. I didn't remember the rest of the
Cool.
lyrics.
That brings us to the end of all the games from this episode, guys. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank
Cool.
you.
Well played.
Well played, Gaurav.
So, as
and
the results are being calculated, what was your experience like, Jeet? First time on That Filmy Game Show?
I loved it, man. I loved it.
Great,
I should be like a permanent.
I think now, I have a legit, go-to guest, someone who knows
Yeah.
that shit. And Gaurav, I think you're never gonna be on again. I'm just joking. It's all good.
Like मेरा पूरा बचपन विंडिकेट हुआ है आज. ठीक है.
Great.
हाँ,
This is what you lived.
इतना-
This is what you lived your बचपन for. dude.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly. इस पे कैश प्राइज होना चाहिए तो मैं ऐसा रोज में उबर लेगा.
This today was the day Jeet felt complete.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it was a good day. So you're kind of glad your other show got cancelled, right? You had a show,
Yeah,
because of which you would have had to.
I would have had to go early,
Yeah.
and but I came, madam.
Great. Yeah, fuck comedy, man. No, but this is comedy also. All right. So, guys, the gap has been closed by quite a lot.
Oh,
But still far, but still quite close.
Yes.
Okay. Coming in at number 3 is the audience at 20 points. The audience did not get to play
They're
much
not
today.
going to play.
No, they were
Yeah.
kind to not,
Yeah.
you know.
That's like saying कि हाँ men's World Cup में women's team third आई. ये क्या है?
So see, I'll tell you what, right? There have been now, I think, 2 or 3 episodes where the audience has actually beat a contestant, even despite them getting to answer more.
So in a way, we
तो
did
तू
a
ये-
pretty decent
Yeah,
job.
you're fine. You guys
हाँ
are fine.
तो तू ये डार्क न्यूआंस कॉमिक्स को लाने का बंद करना, ऐसा थोड़ा स्ट्रीट कॉमिक्स को लेके आ.
No, sometimes also the audience will just,
Yeah.
depending on the questions, you know,
Yeah.
they'll get more of an opportunity to play along more. Anyway, so audience are 20. Very cool, very cool, very cool. Coming
Very
in
nice.
in second place, or first runners up, is Gaurav Pawar with 71 points.
71.
71
That's one less than if you would have exploded yourself.
Finally, being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah, the one, the only, with 92 points,
92
is Jeet Mode. Yeah, acceptance speech, sir. We need an acceptance speech.
acceptance speech.
Yes, this
I
is the most
I'm-
highly sought after
I'm
award.
privileged to be here. I wish I had better competition. And
Next time.
yeah.
And Gaurav will have worse comments.
Yeah, and thank you for not minusing points for that overconfident Shankar Ehsan Lloyd
man.
trivia, which was obviously wrong. Sorry, Shankar sir.
You know, I can reduce 20 points, but you would still
I'd
win.
still
A. It will still
Hey,
sound
minus 20.
better.
Minus 20 was it?
Minus
It'll still
20.
sound- See, you know what will it be? 71
Yeah.
to 72.
वही तो ना.
तो 20 काट दे.
तो ठीक है.
Still
काट
sounds
देता हूँ.
better.
For you.
Yeah.
Okay. Very cool, man.
At this point,
But
Gaurav,
I did not
Gaurav just wants to lose well at this point. That is what it's come down to.
No,
Yeah, it's all
I did not even expect 72. Like I
71.
was
71.
surprised.
Don't increase your points.
तेरे को
Come on, man.
तेरे को एक 10 पॉइंट का जवाब दिया मैंने
Yeah.
और तेरे को 10
क्या
पॉइंट
बात कर रहे
बोनस
हो?
दिया इसने
Yeah.
और तेरे को तेरे 3
क्या
आंसर में
बात
मैं
कर
चुप
रहे
बैठा
हो?
रहा.
क्या बात कर रहा है? ये
हाँ.
सब गिनते कौन
नहीं
बैठता
वो
है?
ये पीछे जाके देखो रिवाइंड करके
ये सब
Yeah.
ये सब गिनते नहीं बैठने का ये सब बकवास.
But
नहीं
Gaurav
नहीं
still very well
but
played.
very well played Gaurav.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah, very
नहीं really I mean some of the stuff was
Yeah.
very pedestrian.
It was absolutely, man.
It was
Some things are not.
the whole thing.
थोड़ा
हाँ, the
थोड़ा
whole
Actually,
thing.
the entire thing.
Yes.
Because
अगली बार थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट बनाना इसको
so
ठीक है.
that's the intention of the show, is to be super mainstream.
Of course.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's
So
fun.
that people like you feel even worse when you don't get it, you know? Again, I'm just messing.
No, no. If you actually honestly think about it,
Yeah.
when you go ahead and mention that some audience, some episodes the audience has scored more
That's true.
Yeah.
I
than
did
the
say that.
guests.
Yeah.
You know,
That's true.
71 is really good compared to
71
that.
is
It is
banger, bro.
great.
71
dude.
is
71 is-
compared
yeah.
to those episodes,
Yeah.
this is great.
I'm having like
But also-
backlashes of 10 standard
It's-
results
it-
and whatnot.
But also you have to kind of remember
It's
that-
like Virat Kohli saying
Actually,
हम लोग ने
no.
RCB का A team को हराया, you know.
हाँ.
That's-
मतलब, it works.
Correct. Yeah, fair. Just the thing is, like sometimes the audience. So the number of games we play in an episode might differ. The number of rounds we play per game might differ. So all of those are variables. So.
Okay.
You can't compare yourselves actually to other episodes, but you can. Do whatever the fuck you want.
Yeah. No, but
So-
well played, Gaurav.
Yeah,
well
very
played.
well
This was
played.
fun, dude. It was.
Very fun.
इसका trivia मतलब okay. First of all, got to appreciate the fact कि इसको आजू बाजू का सब मालूम है. हर song का, हर scene का, हर dialogue का, इसको आजू बाजू का सब मालूम.
सब मालूम है.
It doesn't know the actual answer. other
Actual
than that-
answer नहीं मालूम
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
लेकिन ये
बाकी
मतलब
सब
नहीं.
सीन में झाड़ पे फूल क्या है वो पता है ठीक है? उतना डीप जाएगा मैं लाइक वो IMDb का वो रहता है ना वो
Yeah.
ब्लो अप आता है ना कि ट्रिविया नीचे क्या क्या वो सब मालूम है Main चीज नहीं
Dude,
मालूम
I mean that point where he was like, dude, Vidya Balan got trolled for this movie, dude.
Yeah.
He got really badly
Balan, bro.
trolled, dude.
Yeah.
and I felt really bad for her
like
because
मैं
she's an
almost
amazing-
बोलने वाला था कि डायलॉग था पिक्चर का कि आप प्रोड्यूसर से शादी कर लो.
Yeah. Fair enough, man. Anything to plug before we end, guys?
Oh yes, if any viewer is Maharashtrian, then check out my stand-up in Marathi on YouTube.
Okay, fair.
Yeah, it's on Gaurav P
Very
Marathi
funny.
stand-up,
Very funny.
Thank you.
Yes.
And follow me on Instagram at gaurav.v.pawar for stuff. That's it.
Yeah, same. It's MODY JEET. MODY, Modi with a Y, JEET. I've got a stand-up comedy video which is not in
Again,
Marathi.
hilarious,
Yes, it's called Gujarati Santa. It's there on YouTube, and of course, shorts bhi hai, Insta pe bhi hai. Aa jao, follow karo.
Absolutely, yes. Please follow me also and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're already liking.
Please
what kind of
subscribe to
content.
the channel, guys.
Yeah.
Please do subscribe to this channel. It's
Yeah.
really fun. तुम लोग को audience में आना चाहिए. Come here,
Yeah.
live audience जीत सकती है.
Correct. Also, so we record this at the Chuckle Fox Comedy Club in Powai, which I run also. And this is a means of kind of publicizing the venue also. So please come, guys.
It's
Join us for the
great,
live
it's
event.
a great venue.
Yeah,
I
it's
wish we
good.
could turn the camera around. You know, it's actually like
We have
we do.
comedy shows over here as well.
We do,
so,
absolutely. So please come watch our various shows and especially this show, That Filmy Game Show. This is something we're trying to build. Sorry, you were saying something?
No, just the fact that two plugs basically. Subscribe to That Filmy Game Show. Really like the format. When it comes to stand-up comedy in general, like the scene, this podcast stands out, so that's nice. And I hope you get more,
Recognition.
Let's start slow.
Okay. Awareness.
I had to get one in.
Absolutely, bro. Like it's only fair.
It's a lot of fun, and I see this being bought by a bigger OTT platform down the line. So I hope that happens for you. And check out our podcast that I did with another contestant from your game show, Noel Cordero.
That was when it was just a filmy game show.
Yes.
Check it out.
So do check out that episode,
Great
and do check out our podcast, the one that I do with Noel Cordero. With, again, all comedian talk. So if you want to check it out, do check out the Radical Measures podcast on YouTube, and that's it for me.
Yes, absolutely.
उसके बारे में कुछ डिस्क्राइब नहीं करना है गौरव. आजू बाजू में क्या सीन है.
That's my house only, and since it's stand-up comedians, there's a lot of desperation on the frame.
Very fun. All right. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys.
you.
Again, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Tell us your favorite films from the ones we talked about on this episode. Were you guys able to answer before our contestants? If so, you guys would be an awesome audience member to have in the live recording. So you can play along and win fucking awesome chocolates and prizes and what have you. All right, guys. See you again next week. Bye bye. Ciao. Hasta la vista.